Because I just love the approach that the guys had, because I think a lot of people feel that, you know, an interaction is going to be intuitive, and just because, you know, you're an attractive person or because you're a great person, people are going to immediately see that, and I don't think that's the case. So that's why I feel like workshops like this are great, because it teaches you a skill that you don't learn in school and you don't learn anywhere else. And I felt that all the men that approached me today were incredibly genuine, and it just felt so smooth, so flowing, and it was just so different than how I normally get approached.
How do you normally get approached?
Like, hi, what's your name? Can I buy you a drink? Something like that. And it's just
Like at a bar?
At a bar or something. It's so surface level.
What about during the daytime? Do guys ever approach?
Yes, but in daytime it's even worse, because they're like, hey, can I get your number? And I'm like, what?
Have a conversation first.
Yeah, have a
right?
conversation.
Get a sense of who they are.
And I feel like those, like I said, those are the skills that you teach here, for them to actually listen, to engage, good body language, and those are things that you don't often see in men.